Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 292.0 TDCI engine knocking needs repairing 92k low miles no VAT bargain. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 92,654. MOT, the 4th of November 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Check engine light on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows, tow hitch. Euro status, Euro 6.